Wait, here.
What do you hear?
I thought I heard footsteps. Maybe not? Am I hearing things now?
I have no idea. Jack, thank you very much for your follow and welcome to the channel.
No!
Did he see you? Wait, I don't even know if he's
I don't
friendly.
think he saw me. He might be friendly. I don't know. We'll find out.
Oh, he just went to go to check on the gas pump? I have no idea. What? What did he say?
He said just another ghost. So he's not friendly, I don't think. Okay.
Okay, so we just need one more gas pump, but now we know that there's a guy walking around. So we have
Great.
to be careful. We
Okay.
just need one more gas pump. But we know where to hide.